Hi guys, welcome to Techavro. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to add HTML code or embed HTML codes in Wix. So let's go to Wix editor page first. This is Wix editor page. You have to click on this add elements or plus icon, which is left corner. Then scroll down a bit and you will find here embed code. This one. Click on this embed code and then you'll find here embed HTML. Just click on this embed HTML. Now here you can see that your HTML is ready. Now you have to position your uh, HTML code, like you can position anywhere you want. Then you will find here a add your code here. Okay, you have to now add your code here. After adding code, you have to click on update. Okay, so this is how you can do this, guys. If you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.